అంబేద్కర్ కళాశాలలో చదువుకున్న వారు మంచి స్థాయిలో ఉన్నారని తెలిపారు ఎమ్మెల్యే గడ్డం వినోద్. విద్యార్థులు చదువుపై శ్రద్ధ పెట్టాలని సూచించారు. స్టూడెంట్స్ కు ఒక గోల్ ఉండాలన్నారు. విద్య అనేది ఈ రోజుల్లో ఎంతో ముఖ్యమన్నారు. తల్లిదండ్రులు పిల్లలకు క్రమశిక్షణ నేర్పించాలని తెలిపారు. పిల్లలు మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ కి అడిక్ట్ అవుతున్నారని వాటికి దూరంగా ఉంచాలన్నారు. బాగ్లింగంపల్లిలోని అంబేద్కర్ జూనియర్ కళాశాలలో ఓరియంటేషన్ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరయ్యారు కళాశాల సెక్రటరీ ఎమ్మెల్యే గడ్డం వినోద్.
Getting addicted to any particular substance of any form, irrespective of whatever you say so, because today's younger generation are very quickly getting attracted to major things like drugs, which my Honorable Chief Minister and yesterday along with the film stars made an appeal to one and all. Please don't get involved in this stupid activity of getting drug affected, because drug affects so many things. It creates imbalance in the mind, it creates imbalance in the parents, it creates imbalance among the friends. So the imbalance among the people is again a very, very serious issue. So why I am using this word imbalance is, any form of a drug, people have been conducting very, very serious crimes in the market. If you take the criminology into consideration, people mindset is very quickly getting diverted. So don't take in any circumstances, any form, or anybody who comes and tries to encourage you for the drugs part of it. Our school, our college, our management will take the strictest possible action and will ensure that any person who is indulging in this kind of irresponsible act will certainly be booked, put across to the concerned authorities, and he will be taken care by the concerned police authorities. So what I am trying to appeal to all of you is, your future is in your own hands. Education is a strength. Education will always give you the capacity to interact. Education will be the capacity to talk in the market. It will be the level of confidence which will make you explain to the people, yes, this is what I am. The only way you can do is your self-generated intelligence, self-generated concentration, self-generated hard work. It is never compromised with anybody in the world. So I would like all of you to kindly concentrate seriously, focus on your subject. The new generation which has come into our college now, come learn in our college, take the advantage of all the masters and the students and the lecturers whom we have to the best of your ability.